Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. This is a van. The van is big. It is white. Vans carry many things. People sit in vans. The van has wheels. It has 4 wheels. The driver drives the van. She opens the door. He closes the door. The van is parked. Where is the van? The van is here. Is this your van? No, it is not. My van is blue. His van is old. Her van is new. New vans are expensive. Old vans are cheaper. I want a van. Do you have a van? Yes, I have one. We use our van daily. They need a van. The van starts easily. Turn on the van. The engine is loud. The engine is running. Stop the van here. The van is moving. It moves very slowly. The van stops quickly. Park the van there. The van is full. What is inside the van? There are boxes inside. We carry furniture today. The van carries heavy things. Can it carry more? No, it is full. The back door opens. Put the box inside. Close the back door. The van is ready. We will go now. Where are we going? We are going home. The trip is long. Drive carefully, please. The van has many seats. How many seats are there? There are 8 seats inside. My family sits together comfortably. The children sit in back. I sit in the front. My wife drives the van. She is a good driver. We take trips on weekends. Last week we went camping. The van carried all our things. We put tents in the van. We also brought sleeping bags. The van was very full. Everyone was happy and excited. Do you like road trips? Road trips are really fun. We will go again soon. Next time we visit the beach. The van needs gas now. Where is the gas station? It is down the street. We stop at the station. Fill up the tank, please. How much does it cost? Gas is expensive these days. The tank is full now. Pay at the counter inside. Thank you very much, sir. Let us continue our trip. I bought my van yesterday. It was not very expensive. The previous owner was nice. He took good care of it. The van runs very well. There are no problems yet. I will drive it tomorrow. My friends will see it. They want to ride inside. We are going to the park. The weather is perfect for driving. It is sunny and warm today. Do you want to come along? There is room for everyone here. Bring your camera for taking pictures. We will have a great time. The park is 20 minutes away. That is not too far. Everyone get in the van now. Make sure you wear your seat belt. Safety is the most important thing always. The driver must check all the mirrors. Look left and look right before leaving. The street is clear and safe now. We are driving down the main road. There are many cars on the road. Traffic is heavy during rush hour today. We must wait at the red light. The light turned green, so we go. Turn left at the next big intersection. Delivery vans work in the city every day. They bring packages to many different houses. The delivery driver knows all the streets. He delivers packages from morning until evening. His van is full of boxes today. Each box has a name and address. He must deliver everything before 6 o'clock. That is his job and daily routine. Sometimes the traffic makes him very late, but he always tries his very best. My brother works for a moving company. He drives a large white moving van. The van can carry furniture and appliances. People call him when they change houses. He helps them move to new places. Moving is hard work, but he likes it. Yesterday, he moved a family across town. They had a lot of heavy furniture. He loaded everything carefully into the van. It took him about 3 hours total. School vans take children to school daily. The van stops at each house carefully. Children wait outside for the van driver. They climb in and find their seats. The driver counts all the children inside. Everyone must sit down during the ride. The school is 15 minutes away from here. Parents trust the driver with their children. He drives slowly and very safely always. The children arrive at school on time. I am looking at vans online today. I want to buy one next month. There are many different types of vans. Some vans are good for work purposes. Other vans are better for family trips. I need a van with lots of space. My budget is not very high right now. I will look for a used van. Used vans cost much less than new. I hope to find a good one. The mechanic is checking my van today. Something is wrong with the engine's sound. He will tell me what the problem is. I hope it is not too expensive. The mechanic says the battery is old. I need to replace it very soon. A new battery costs about $100. That is not too bad for me. He will install the new battery today. My van will work perfectly after that. We are cleaning the van this afternoon. It is very dirty inside and outside. There is mud on all the floor. The seats have stains from last week. First we vacuum all the seats carefully. Then we wash the outside with soap. The windows are covered with dirt and dust. We clean them until they are clear. Now the van looks almost brand new. We are very proud of our work. Camping vans are popular for long vacations. Some people live in their vans full-time. These vans have beds and small kitchens. You can cook and sleep inside comfortably. Many young people travel this way now. They drive from city to city freely. They work online from different locations each week. This lifestyle is called van life today. It gives people freedom to explore everywhere. Would you like to try this someday? In winter, vans need special care and attention. Snow and ice can make driving dangerous. You should check your tires before driving. Winter tires are better in cold weather. Keep a blanket in your van always. Also bring water and some food supplies. If you get stuck, you will need them. Drive slowly when the roads are icy. It takes longer to stop on ice. Always be careful in bad weather conditions. Our family loves our old blue van. We have had it for 10 years now. It has taken us to many places. We drove to the mountains last summer. We also visited the ocean in spring. The van never breaks down on trips. It is reliable and we trust it. Maybe we will buy a new one, but we will miss this old van. It has been a good friend to us. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.